Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me Simran Sahani and today we are starting the revision batch of class 10th SST and this is the fourth video. अभी हम history के दोनों chapters के important question देख चुके हैं ना revision batch. We have taken the geography, agriculture and resource and development. Now we are on the manufacturing industries. तो revision batch में हम इन सभी chapters के important question पढ़े हैं and if you want to study the chapter तो description box में playlist given है class 10 social science by Simran Sahani. वहाँ आप देखो सारी video explanation आ given and even important question of your revision batch. So go and prepare yourself, chapter पढ़ो, फिर ये important questions देखो and you can even study English from my channel. तो playlist given in the description box. Secondly, if you want more question, like I have written 15 MCQs here and some long answer, but if you want more material very quickly, you are having your pre-board and तुम्हें important questions चाहिए तो go and follow me on Instagram. ID given in description box में SIIC_SAHNI Sahani. Go and take all the study material from there. Everything is uploaded there. Important question, 1 markers, tons of 1 markers, map question, everything is there. So go and follow me and access the study material. So let's start today's video. We'll be doing 15 questions of 1 marker. As you know, तुम्हारा paper का जो pattern है, it's very change. You are having case studies, you are having MCQs. So for that we have to prepare accordingly. हमें सारा time सिर्फ long answer को नहीं देना है. हमें जो MCQ portion है उस पे अपनी command करनी है, ठीक है? तो let's study the MCQs. So let's start the first question. Name the 3 physical factors that affect the location of industries. The first is raw material, water, power resource and climate. Number 2, name 4 important cotton textile center of Maharashtra. If you know the answer then tell me or write it in your register. Take this video as a test also. Mumbai, Sholapur, Nagpur, Pune. Next question, name 5 electronic good producing centers. Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi. Name 3 human inputs that control location of industries. Labor, market, transport. Okay. Name 2 most important sugar producing states of India. UP and Maharashtra. The number of sugar mills in the country are 460. Iron ore, cooking oil, limestone ratio to make the steel. So this is a very important question. आपको इसका ratio 4:2:3, 4:2:1. So you have to take the correct one. और इस समय हम confuse हो जाएंगे. So इसलिए इसको आपको अच्छे से prepare करना. Answer is 4:2:1. That कितना ratio चाहिए होता है क्या बनाने के लिए? स्टील बनाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नंबर ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम स्मेल्टिंग प्लांट्स इन इंडिया. देयर आर नंबर 8. ठीक है, तो लर्न करो इसको. द फर्स्ट सीमेंट प्लांट वाज सेट अप इन 1904. लर्न इट. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इट माइट नॉट बी विजिबल टू यू बट द क्वेश्चन इज लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ रॉ जूट. इट्स बांग्लादेश. ठीक है, तो राइट इट इन योर नोटबुक और टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. ठीक है. The chemical industry in India contributes to the GDP. That how much the chemical industry is contributing to our GDP. So you might be given like 3%, 4%, 6%. You will be totally confused at कितने percent there. So it's 3% and it's clearly mentioned in the book. Okay. Full form of BPO. It's business process outsourcing. Okay. Many students write business process output and you will get 0 marks. So just remember it today only that it's business process outsourcing. Full form of NMCC, National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council. So just learn it. Power looms came into use after the 18th century. Last question is, India ranks dash among the world crude steel producer. Crude steel producer, not crude oil. Crude steel producer में India is on the 9th rank. It's according to your NCERT book. Okay, so some 15 questions we have done. If I'll get time, I'll make more videos like this. If you want that मैं 15 या 30 और कराऊँ, 40 और कराऊँ, तो just tell me down in the comment section if you want this. So whenever I'll get time, I'll make the video of more MCQs of all the chapters of SST class 10th. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर ऑन द लॉन्ग एंड द शॉर्ट वंस. इनके आंसर आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे. जितनी लिमिट होगी आई पेस्ट इट और यू विल गेट इट फ्रॉम द इंस्टाग्राम. यू नो दैट. ठीक है. तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ इंडस्ट्रीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. दैट हाउ द इंडस्ट्रीज are harming the environment. So you have to mention it. And क्या आपको value based के टाइप में भी आ सकता है. Like you will be asked that what do you think, like we should stop the industrial revolution, like क्या करना चाहिए हमें. तो आप उसमें clearly mention करना that yes, development is also very important for our country, for our economic development, but we should do the sustainable development. Like the industry should do the chemical checks. They shouldn't just throw all the chemicals in the river. They should have chimneys so that air pollution could be controlled. So the industry should make efforts from their side so that pollution would be controlled, and we should do the sustainable development. We should go to the organic things so that the environmental degradation is stopped and economic development is also done. Industrial evolution is also done, industrial development is also done, but at the same time we have to think about our environment also. तो इस तरीके से तुम्हें खुद से भी कुछ कुछ मेंशन करना होगा. दिस टाइम योर क्वेश्चन इज लाइक इनसाइड बेस, लाइक खुद से आपको लिखना. इंग्लिश पैटर्न टोटली चेंज, यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स ओनली बाय योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ठीक है, तो इसमें भी आपको ऐसे करने को आएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्सप्लेन 5 फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर लोकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. तो ये लॉन्ग शॉर्ट दोनों में आ सकता है. Why next third question, why maximum jute textile mill located in the Hooghly basin? Just learn the answer. Classify industry on the basis of raw material. तो very important, you just have agro based like textile वाली जो है and mineral based everything. ये बहुत important question है. I'll give you down in the description box, so prepare it from there. So with this I'm ending today's video. These are the most important ones. कुछ भी छोड़ देना अपनी पूरी बुक में से, मत छोड़ना, and they are very useful for your pre boards and even your board exam. बोर्ड एग्जाम में तो हम और भी बहुत कुछ प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे, but if you are having your pre board, just take this video, learn it, everything I'm telling you, and definitely आपके एग्जाम में इसमें से questions आएंगे. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video again. And if you face any problem during your study time, so there is a video given down there, playlist given down there, study tips by Simon Sani. In that I have told class 10 students how to manage time. Like you are having your school, you are having your online classes, you cannot cope up with the self study. You think that कब करें self study हम, तो उसके लिए video है. there is video that how much time you should give to each subject, like कितना टाइम आपको एक सब्जेक्ट को देना चाहिए एक दिन के अंदर. एंड आई हैव गिवन हाउ टू कंप्लीट एसएसटी इन दिस 12 days एंड इट्स वर्किंग. सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट हैव डन इट एंड दिस प्लान वाज वर्किंग फॉर देम. व्हेन वाज दैट वीडियो? एंड 10th strategy video is there, and 10th English playlist is there, and there is also a playlist so that you could learn the long answer. There are 2 videos on that. So I have told you the trick to learn the long answer, like even a paragraph you can learn in just 3 to 4 minutes. So go and watch all those videos. Description box में सब given है, answers given है. So best of luck for your board exams. If there is anything you want to ask me down in the comment section. Bye bye, take care, and best of luck for your board exam.